Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So Diwali is about to come and let's decorate our home with these beautiful Diya stands. They are very easy to make and I've made it from old CD. And there is another very beautiful lotus flower Diya stand we are going to make with very easy technique. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So let's get started and make these beautiful Diya stands. So now to begin with, we'll take a CD. If you don't have a CD, you can always take a cardboard box like that. One glitter paper, lace and hot glue gun. First thing we're going to do is to trace the circle. And we're going to cut the glitter sheet. And now we'll stick the glitter sheet on the CD. Then we'll take this lace and we are going to stick it with the help of hot glue gun. Be very careful while you're sticking it with hot glue gun because sometimes it's very hot and you might burn your hand. So this is how it's going to look. Now we're going to stick these beautiful Kundan stickers. And our first Diya stand is ready. Now we are going to place a tea light. If you don't have a tea light, you can always take a Diya, something like this. Or if you want to keep it only for the decoration, you can take some decorative Diya, something like this, and you can decorate it in the corner of the house. So this is how it's going to look with the tea light. Moving forward to our next DIY. For this DIY, I'm going to take CD and acrylic colors. This is a metallic acrylic color and we are going to do 2 coats of this. Once the color is dry, we're going to take this glitter sheet and we're going to cut the circle and place it in the center of the CD. And now we are going to take these 3D cones and start making the pattern. This looks very tough, but trust me guys, this is very easy to make. You just have to make the pattern and it will automatically give you a stunning look. And to make the pattern in proper circle, you can always take a compass and make circles like this. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Try to mix and match with different colors so that your Diya stand is going to stand out. And now we are going to take these pearl stickers and now stick it on Diya stand. And we'll take another Kundan stickers and we are going to stick it here. And this is how our second Diya stand is going to look. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And if you want to decorate it with decorative Diya, this is how it's going to look. And moving forward, and now we'll make our third DIY. That is we have to take a CD and a felt paper. Cut the felt paper and stick it on the CD. And for decoration, I'm going to take a lace, something like this. And we'll stick it with hot glue gun. So this is how it's going to look, and now we'll decorate it with Kundan stickers. Start sticking it with glue. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And now you can decorate it with decorative diya. Or if you want to place a tea light, this is how it's going to look. There is another way you can use it. You can use it for puja as well, in which you can place Ganesh ji and Lakshmi ji. And moving forward, and now we'll make a lotus flower diya stand. For this, I'm going to take a tape roll and I'm going to cut it in the half, and now make the base with this carton. And now draw the leaf and take a felt paper. Felt paper is going to give it a real look. Now we'll take two colors of felt paper, pink and green, and start sticking them all together and give it a shape of a lotus flower. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. And in the center, we're going to take another felt paper and we are going to stick it in the center. Now take acrylic colors and start shading the flower. So this is how these beautiful diya stands are going to look. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.